03. For me, it's a home run. You got the shaker hood. This one's a 5-speed, only has 10,000 miles. Let's see what it does on the open road. Per the usual, another super clean Mach 1 here, PC Classic Cars. And today we are in an 03 Ford Mach 1 with 10,593 actual miles. This is a clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported, and again, 10,593 actual miles. Car is basically bone stock front to back. Really, the only thing that's been done is it's got tires been put on it a few years ago. Other than that, it is a stock car mechanically. The motor is the original 32 valve 4.6, making 305 horse and 320 foot-pounds of torque. If you're not familiar with the Mach 1s in 03 and 04, you can actually get them in an automatic or a 5-speed manual transmission, and this one is in the very desirable 5-speed. The clutch feels great. Motor has good power. Rear end doesn't have any weird noises. Power steering, power disc brakes, all of that functions exactly like we needed to. You got your cold AC on right now, blowing nice and cold, extremely comfortable on the inside of this car on a hot Texas afternoon. When it is cold outside, the heat does work as well. And this one still retains the factory exhaust. So it's not terribly loud. These cars really respond well to a catback exhaust system, so you can do that if you want to, but it doesn't have to be done. But as you can hear, the Ford mufflers do still sound good on the car, but it's on the quieter side of things. On the interior, you have code AW, which is the charcoal Mach 1 interior. There is no complaints on the inside of this car. From the dash to the gauge cluster, the center console, the seats, the bolstering, the rear seat, the visors, the headliner, everything in here is absolutely excellent. The top of the steering wheel looks brand new. Center console opens and closes properly. Same thing with your glove box. No problems of any kind. And you have a couple of the original tags in the glove box as well. We also have the original Mach 1 certificate, which will go with the car as well. You'll see photos of all that in the additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. As far as that Carfax, the Autocheck, the Does It Work section, the motor numbers, the VIN numbers, and the extras for the car, click on the inventory, click on this Mach 1, scroll to the bottom of the page, and you're going to see that additional media section, which is going to have all of the extras for you. So make sure you guys check that out. But to finish my notes on the interior here, it's absolutely fantastic. You have your factory Ford AM FM 6-disc CD changer. All of your power options in here work as well. Your Mach speaker system. So overall, inside, absolutely great. A little bit of a heavier pull there for you. Runs great. These Mach 1s are fantastic to drive. They're easy, fun, sporty cars. Is 305 horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque a crazy number for either one? No, but these aren't big, heavy cars. You don't need a ton of power to still have a really good time. If you want to, you can turn the traction control off, get sideways if you want to. If you want to do some simple things to these cars, like a tune, exhaust, cold air intake, do a gear set in the back and have a whole lot more fun, you absolutely can, but you don't need to. They're really fun to drive in the stock application like this one, and it's really hard to find one of these cars with about 10,000 miles or so that hasn't had anything done. Usually after about this point, people start modifying them with exhaust because it's extremely acceptable to do mods on these, but finding one that's bone stock is also really cool. On the underneath, it's as good as you're gonna find. You still have all the original paint on the floors. It shows fantastic. There's no complaints other than a little surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but it really represents excellent on the undercarriage. And then exterior, it's code L5, the Azure Blue. It's arguably one of the best two colors. You have your competition orange and the blue. It goes back and forth for me. I love both colors. I actually love all the colors in the Mach 1s, but the blue really stands out. You have your iconic Mach 1 shaker hood with the blackout treatment. You have the front and rear spoilers. You have the decals on the side. Just a tough looking car. Again, the blue paint is great. The flaws that you're gonna find are a few stone chips on the front of the hood and the front bumper, which is inevitable. A couple other little touch-ups around the car, but it's all really minor stuff. Overall, it represents like a 10,000 mile car should represent like, and there is no complaints outside of those little stone chips. Your factory Mach 1 wheels with good Nitto tires all the way around. As far as your suspension, it's all stock style Mach 1 suspension. These cars look great with a lowering spring, but it doesn't have to be done. Power options like windows, locks, mirrors, all three of those work. All of the buttons are in excellent condition. That's another thing, is the radio buttons are notoriously for getting like little flakes on them or getting kind of wore out. The radio buttons look excellent as well. You do also have your rear defrost, which works. Glass is all in great shape. You do have one stone chip on the front windshield, right in literally the middle of the windshield, down low above the little embossing in the glass there, but it's super small. And then the rear view mirror is clear and easy to see out of. Same thing with your side mirrors. So outside of that little stone chip, that's all you really got on the glass. Factory shifter in here. If you wanted to do a short throw, you could, but these ones are actually pretty easy to find the gears. Can't complain, y'all. It's a great car. When you pop the deck lid in the back, factory back there, doesn't look like anything's ever really been placed in the trunk. It all shows like it did from day one. I'm gonna turn the AC down. Freezing. I guess that's better than the alternative. When you pop the hood, you have the hood release up under the dash over here on the driver's side, and then you have your secondary release up under the hood. Shows great in the engine compartment, factory shaker hood, original 4.6 that this car was born with. Fluids, belts, hoses, serviceable equipment, everything checks out exactly like we needed to for a 10,000 mile car. It is a ready to go, hop in, have some fun Mach 1, no complaints, just an excellent low mileage modern muscle car. So to recap, just a few flaws for you guys, some stone chips, and that's where it ends. It's easy to sell these cars. It's easy to buy these cars when they are low mileage and super clean like this, because the disclaimer list is super short. You got a small couple little touch-ups on the front of the car, which you're going to get from any old car that's being driven, and that's where the list stops. These are really, really fun Mustangs. Put it through his paces just a little bit to give you all a good, accurate representation of how the car performs, and it is an awesome Mach 1. It is a 2003 with 10,600 miles from myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day, and we will catch you guys on the next video.